Hello, hi everyone, this is Som here. I welcome everyone to the YouTube channel. In this particular video, I would be talking about the ChatGPT. You might have heard about ChatGPT, but this is an overview how you can use effectively the ChatGPT and what you can do with this, which can make you more productive. If you're an entrepreneur, business owner, or might be any user, you want to leverage this ChatGPT. This is an absolute game changer to become the superhuman. I'm just joking. This is not a tool to make it, but you can be the superhuman if you use it effectively. So let's get into this and show you what you can do with this. So this is a tool where you can write something with the chat and it will provide you with the information. You can write an essay within just a few seconds. You can write an email. You can ask anything related to the neuroscience. You can ask about a globe, or you want to generate some AI art. It can give you a prompt. Whenever you write something, that is called as a prompt, and this is where the things happens. Okay, so I would be walking you through that, what you can do with this, which can help you in every. So right now, as you can see right now, this is the page, and at the bottom you can see there is a prompt where you can write this prompt. Okay, so for an example, if you this is a use case I would be taking. For an example, if you write explain what is neuroscience, and it will give you answer within just a few seconds. So this is not just like Google where you have so many websites coming up with an SEO, but this is an actual answer what you can get, and this is powerful. Okay, so whatever you want to write it, you can write it, and also if you don't like that answer, you can regenerate it by clicking at the bottom and it will regenerate it. So you can see the prompt is so easy to understand, and at the left side you get an options where you can toggle between the first answer and the second answer. So this is really powerful. So this is the one example what I have shown that is called as. If you want to take it to the next level, we can do that with the help of the ChatGPT is the code. Can you imagine that you can write a code with the ChatGPT? For an example, if you want to write PHP landing page with a WordPress, and it will give you a code with a header and a footer and the custom domain. So if I want to give you an exact example out here, okay, if you want to write a code before you are using a GitHub, but now for an example, if I want to write a HTML code for a form, I want to create a form in HTML, and look at this, it is going ahead and writing a HTML code form in front of you within a few seconds. So you are replacing any coder right now, or you're just doing some tweaks and your code is ready. So this is how it is. This form includes input fields with a name, email address, password, ratio button for genders, and text area for comments. You can add and remove any fields required. So in this way where you can do that. So if I want to know that whatever the code is being written right now, wherever the code it is being given to you, if you want to check whether the code is correct, I just want to check whether this code is right or not. So you just need to paste that code, and right now as you can see there is a code which is being correct or not. So it is showing you everything possible. Okay, so this is really powerful thing. Okay, if you want to change something in the code, it can do it for you. And even if you write something, just like for an example, I will take it as Instagram. I used to post Instagram, but I want to say, can I write an Instagram bot that automatically likes the targeted set of a post from my Instagram post? Can I create an Instagram bot with the help of this? So what it says, the ChatGPT says, yes, it is possible to write a bot that automatically like target set of a post on Instagram. However, it is important to note that using Instagram bot in this way is against the Instagram terms of the services. So this is really like our account may get banned. So it is saying that, but it also gives an options to create an API that is used. It says you can use a programming language like Python to use a request library to make API calls, and library like Beautiful Soup for scrape a data you need. So this is a one of the strategies what is being given. Want to say is you need to follow the terms and conditions to create an Instagram bot, otherwise your account will be blocked. And also it given you some of the Python. If you ask something about the Python request, it will definitely give you an answer. So this is really powerful, right? So how powerful this can be. So for an example, I want to say that so for an example, I will take one more example here. So for an example, I want to create a blog. Give me a blog post idea about AI. So, and right now, as you can see, it has bullet points with a post where it is generated the all the bullet points in front of you. Give me a blog post ideas about AI, and it has impacting of an AI on the job market, exploring the ethical implementation of AI and cybersecurity, AI and environment, AI in finance, AI in transportation. Trust me, this is an absolute game changer. So if I want to take it next level, I want to become more healthier, and I want to daily life. I want to ask something called as create a 5 days meal plan for adult who need to eat 2000 calories per day but make it keto friendly. So let me see what ChatGPT can do it for you. So right now the ChatGPT say that here is a simple 5 days meal plan for your adult who need eat 200 calories per day and follow the keto diet. And the first day is the breakfast with the 2 boiled eggs, slice. And look at this, how great it is. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, what you need to eat it first day, second day, third day. And this is an absolute game changer. At the same time, it also gives you a precaution measures to go ahead and before you follow these terms, you need to go to note that this meal includes 200 calories and all. After that, it also please consult your doctor or nutrition before making this choice. So this is really powerful. Okay, so and also I create a YouTube video. Let's see, I will write me a YouTube video introduction about ChatGPT. So let's see what it can do. Hello everyone, welcome to our welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most advanced language model in the world, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a neural network based language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human like text. So this is how it is, and it is giving you a skill like all the script in front of you, just need to read in front of the. So let's get started. We will go with the next prompt, and I will choose for an example. I want to say that how do I respond to an interview if they ask what are my weaknesses. So if I want to go for this is goes to the someone who is giving an interview, and if you ask ChatGPT that how do I respond in an interview if they ask what are my weaknesses, and look at this how ChatGPT says when your interviewers ask you to identify your weaknesses, it is difficult to know how to respond. So be honest, share the genuine weakness that you recognize, and it is giving you a sum of an answer, which definitely going to help if you are going for an interviews. So how easy it is and accessible to an AI content or a database, which is really going to be game changer, because I've been using for days now, and I have seen a lot of changes, and even in my way I want to become more creative or want to know more about it, this tool is definitely has potential. So let's give a next prompt here. So this is the one prompt, and this is the way where you can train this bot and it will give you an answer back. So this has great potential. Okay, for an example, I want to create a CV. So let's see, it can create a CV for you now. Okay, create a resume and a CV for a digital marketing. So let's see how with experience of say 5 years. So let's see whether this can create a CV effectively or not. Look at this, it is really powerful. Okay, wow, this is fantastic. The certifications also, Google Analytics, Google HubSpot marketing, Facebook Blueprint. Wow, this is really amazing. If you are someone who are looking for a job, please leverage ChatGPT to create it and tweak a bit in your resume, and this is going to be the game changer. Okay, so for an example, I want to write an email for my web designing company. So let me see whether it can create a high converting welcome email for my web designing company. This is the biggest thing because I used to hire copywriters before doing this, but right now I take this ChatGPT, leverage this tool and do it for myself. So let's see, write a welcome email for a website designing company. So let's see, it given you a subject, welcome to our website designing company, dear the name. We are excited to welcome to our web designing company. We are specialized in creating visualize stunning and user-friendly website that are tailored with meeting a specific needs for your business. And it's went on with this. So if you write this email, trust me, there would be an open rate which is clean, crisp, and it is giving you a good results. And even I have been using, my students been using, and they are getting a great result from this. So if you have some kid or they want to write an essay, so let's see if we can check it, because this has been started with an open AI with saying that it can write an essay for any topic. So let's see if it can write the essay for you or not, for your kids or for you. Okay, write an essay on smoking in public places should be banned. So this is the highest topic which all the kids would love to write an essay, or might be public speaking. So let's see it can write an essay or not. Write an essay on smoking in public places should be banned. So this is what it is going ahead and writing in front of you with a big essay. Okay, just need to be patient. Let's see. Wow, this is amazing. So it has given you a full base of an essay, and it is, and also I want to say that most of the schools and colleges been banned this ChatGPT, not to copy that, but trust me, this is going to be, if you tweak some of the essays, and this is an absolute game changer. So I run a Facebook ads. Let's see it can write a Facebook ads for a digital marketing agency in Chicago. So let's see, write a Facebook ads for digital marketing agency in Chicago. So it is going ahead and writing, look at this, boost your business, improving digital marketing strategies in Chicago, and love it. This is what it can give you. And also it gives you hashtag digital marketing, Chicago, SEO, PPC, social media marketing, email marketing, and grow your business. Wow, this is the absolutely great. So next see what we can do it. So we will go with some of the biggest things, like for an example, I hit with my car recently. I want to say that whether I can take a legal action for it or not. So I will just go ahead and type in the chat GPT and see what legal action I can take it. So it also use it for a financial advisor, lawyers, kids, for email writing, for a code. And let's see the legally it can create it for you or not. A person, I will type it, a person hit my car with a hammer, and I know who it is. What legal action can I take in United States? So let's see, it can write, oh, if someone has damaged your car with a hammer, you know that who is the person is. You have an option to take a legal action against them. Specific legal action you can take will depend upon the circumstances of incident and the law that states where it occurred. One option would be the file a police report or press charges for a criminal damage to the property, depending upon the severity of the damage. So it is giving you all this information right now. It says you need a lawsuit. All this information you can just copy it, and if you have a photograph, it's saying that any security footages you can take it. It will make your life more creative, more like powerful, or you want to say that, yeah, what information you needed, it's an accurate information. You can leverage this as a step-by-step process, and this is game changer, because if I want to go ahead and search it on Google, you have so many options, and there are also the sponsors, opt-in pages. But here It's a clear descriptions. You get an idea, go ahead and go to any advocate or a lawyer, and that's it, it's done. So this is how you can be more powerful. So in this world, if someone asks you this type of a technology, what I'm talking here about the chat GPT is going to change the way where you think, the way you are doing the things in the future. So leverage this because it's open source, it's a free of cost. Try it as much as possible, what you're thinking, what problems you're facing in your life, or you want to leverage this tool and make a lot of money out of it. Yeah, this tool can definitely going to make a lot of money. You can write a copywriting by saying that a welcome email or email nurturing system and post it on Fiverr, Upwork. There are a lot of people who want this. Okay, they don't know about this tool. You are the first one to know more detailed video about this. If you really like this video, please hit a like button, subscribe, and also share with your friends because this is going to be the absolute game changer. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.